So when you're visiting Bryce Canyon, you definitely want to do the Mossy Cave trail hike. It's less than a mile, it's cool, it's refreshing. It's actually not in the paid part of Bryce Canyon, so it's free to get in. There's a parking lot, you take the trail up, it's less than a mile out and back. So we heard that it's really crowded during the day, so we came in the afternoon. We saw the parking lot was wide open, they have bathrooms. You'll see the trailhead marker, it's 0.4 miles to get to the end, so 0.8 miles, less than a mile round trip. When we got to the second bridge, we had heard that you can just go down and go over to the waterfall area, so we did that. It's a little steep, but it's a short little climb down. You can see right there. And then we walked on the side. I didn't wear water shoes for this, and I was able to keep my feet dry, but I have seen other people who were wearing water shoes and just walked right in the water. So then we headed back to the bridge, and now we're going to go explore the Mossy Cave. So you go up the trail, and then you'll make a left-hand turn, and that's going to take you to the Mossy Cave. So when you reach this sign, to go to the Mossy Cave, you go left, and if you want the overlook of the waterfall, you go to the right. So as we got to the Mossy Cave, we saw that this is more of a winter thing, where it has icicles that form and that you can see, but in the summertime, this is what the Mossy Cave looks like. So we headed back down the trail. You can see where we came up from that second bridge, and then we decided to head over for the overlook of the waterfall. Along the way, we saw this sign that this is actually called the Tropic Ditch. Not exactly the most pleasant name, but this was completed in 1892 by the pioneers to get water to the town of Tropic. That's why it's called the Tropic Ditch. So we love this easy hike and would highly recommend doing the Mossy Cave trail hike on your next visit to Bryce Canyon National Park.